Rethinking the True Path to Great Leading by Foster W. Mobley. Be your authentic self, be fully present in the moment, and become the leader you have always been capable of being. Success is the peace of mind that comes from knowing that you have done the best that you are capable of doing. People are on the job but not present in mind and are not performing at anything near their peak. When you can lead yourself successfully, then you have earned the right to lead others regardless of what your job description says. Difficulties are just things to overcome after all. Great leading is about showing up powerfully. It's about commitment and engagement. Like a blocked artery, the blocked stream was harming the life that depended on it. How you show up as a leader is often far more important than what you do or say. The journey to powerful leading always grew through the self. A clear, flowing stream represents a person's full engagement, possibility, and performance. When your stream is clear, you are operating at full power and bringing everything that matters to you into your role as a leader. When I don't get the most out of whatever I am doing, including leading, I have found it is typically because there is something blocking this stream of natural energy, vitality, and passion. Lack of purpose. We are never more powerful than when we are operating with a sense of purpose. Self limiting beliefs about others or ourselves. Here is the point. Strip away your college degrees, professional titles, awards, family connections. Stand naked before the world. Who and what are you? Are you a passion of honor, knowledge, love, passion, courage, creativity, faith? When we are fully present in the moment, we continue to move into the future. Leading is about how you show up. You can't lead if you are not mentally in the room. Resist the temptation to dwell on past or future, but being mindfully present, both living in the moment and aware of how and why you react to what occurs in each moment. Allowing your mind to quiet down into a state of motionlessness and simply being who you are capable of being. It does not interest me to know where you live or how much money you have. I want to know if you can get up after the night of grief and despair and bruised to the bone and do what needs to be done to feed the children. One of the best and simplest access point to mindful presence is breathing. Examine your breathing right now. Try walking down the hall more slowly. Breathe. Say hello to people. Slow down. Give yourself the time and space to settle in and see what you are capable of. Connect with your joys, passion, and vision for something better. Practice settling in. See what you and all those around you are capable of. It will amaze you. When things go well, great leaders look out the windows to find the other people responsible. And when things go badly, they look in the mirror to discover what they could do to better. Backing up intentions with actions and following through on plans, communicating with people clearly at all times, and making it possible for employees to rise to a challenge. If you want others to be courageous, be courageous. If you want them to be candid, be candid. Nothing simpler and more powerful in this leading stuff.